Okay guys, this is how to withdraw your money from Uho app. Yeah, I know a lot of people have registered on this app while some have not registered. So if you have not registered, try and register on this app. Okay, the name of this app is Uho. Like I said, I've made video on how to work on this app. I've made video on how to earn 70k diamond free they are giving on live streaming. So today I want to make video on how you can withdraw on the app. Okay, once you tap on me, you tap on your wallet. Okay, so when you tap on your wallet, you tap on withdraw. It will take you to this interface where you will bind your withdrawal information. Okay, yeah, this is where it will take you to bind your withdrawal information. You tap on withdraw, then you bind your identification. You do your identification verification. Please fill in your real personal information and authentic certification information. It is related to your bank account for withdrawals. Be sure to fill in your real name and identification number. So every information that is in your bank information or any other thing you want to use and withdraw here, please make sure that is what you will fill here. Okay, so I'm going to change my region to Nigeria because it's my Nigerian account that I want to make use of. Okay, so I'm going to look for my country, Nigeria, and put it here now. So wherever you're watching from, wherever you're from, you put your own country. Okay, so that's it. So I've put my country, I'll put my city. Okay, you put your city. Okay, you put your real name. I put my real name. You put your identification number. So identification number, that's your government issued ID card. Okay, that you use for your bank information. That is what you will use. Then put your contact information, maybe your Facebook or WhatsApp. Then you put your email and submit. So after putting all your information, your region, your city, your real name, identification number, contact and email address, you tap on submit. So they will request for face authentication. All right, face recognition will begin soon. Do not look down from above. Do not cover your face. Avoid dim lightning. So you tap on I have read and agreed Google user agreement terms. Okay, so I tap on it. Face recognition will begin soon. I started. See, it's successful. Please check if your ID information is your own, real and correct and correctly filled in. Real name Sterling Ujunwa police identification number. Yes, it is correct. I tap confirm. So I've submitted it. Information submitted pending review. So they will review my information shortly. So once they approve it, the next thing is just to come back to this side. Then you tap on exchange. Okay, tap on your coin. You tap on exchange. You tap on, let's say it's $10, $20, $30. You have $50, $100, $500, $1,000. Anyone you have, you tap on that one. As you can see, I have $10 plus. It is on $10 now. I will tap it. Then I will tap exchange. Okay, exchange successful. So that's it. Then that $10 have come to my wallet and stay now. So guys, after exchanging your coins to your wallet, the next thing is to tap on withdraw. Withdraw under your wallet. Are you seeing it? You tap on withdraw. Then it will bring out payment information. Select withdrawal method, bank transfer, GCash or PayPal. So whichever one you want to make use of according to your country, you tap me. I'm going to use bank transfer. I tap it, then it asks me to put recipient name, which is my name. Okay, I will input my name, bank name, OP, bank account. So I put my bank account. I put my Swift code. Swift code is your ID. Okay, my ID 1020 642 642 10 200 642. Yeah, I put my phone number +234. That's my phone number +234 8107228581. Yeah, so I save. Recipient name Sterling Ujunwa plus bank name Opay, bank account, Swift code, phone number. So cash balance, withdrawal amount $10. Yeah, withdrawal amount $10. Please ensure account name matches verification information. So once it doesn't match, please don't confirm, okay? Make sure that before you confirm, you check it very well to know that your bank information is aligned with your verification information. Okay, check it very well. All right, so once everything is correct, it's okay. All right, you tap confirm. Your withdrawal order has been submitted. So wait for them to credit me in my account. Voila, guys, it is done. It is approved. Okay, $9.2, that is what I got. So check very well. If you go to your bank account and you confirm your money, then you come here and confirm. So I've gone to my bank account, I've confirmed that the money have entered into my account balance. So I will confirm right now. Okay, so if you have not joined Uho app, what are you waiting for? Tap the link at my comment section or my description to download this app. All right, disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing apps that I've worked. Please make sure that you